Alrighty, ladies and gents, you know what time it is. There are 5 quarts of 20W50 race oil, pen grade. We only use this stuff in the Evo. And then, of course, we have our STP S2808. Jack number 1, jack number 2. I have successfully relocated the heavy-ass jacks. Open the hood. Hold it with my head again as I put up the hood prop. We got the quick jacks. Oh, it's going up. Whoa! Oh, no! I dip my finger in there. Look at that color. Ooh.
Ooh, you can really see the green.
Oh, God. What? Ow! No! Why did I keep... Oh, no! That's a cool tattoo, bro.
It's on the back, too.
Oh, no! I didn't even notice. Yeah. Hello?
Angles, bro, angles.
I should know angles. I'm a photographer. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, wait. Yeah, I got it! Okay, it's on. That's pretty much it, folks.
What's that right above your head?
This O2 dump, it does the... with the air. I don't know how cars work. I don't know, man. Oh, hello? Was this not set to the exact size of this thing like a minute ago? So now we started, right? It is so thick. Oh my God.
It's not draining.
Uh-oh.
10 hours later.
This is only the 3rd bottle. This bitch needs gas. Whoa, I didn't realize the HIC logo had a little thing on it. Hell yeah, you pretty now. Let's put some stickers on. Let's do this one right here. And this one, we'll just... And there's number 2. I put it on this thing here. Drawer. That's what it's called. It's a drawer. We are in a lake now. Holy shit! Hold on. Oh my God! Evo goes zoom! For a little drive, it looks like there's water on the roadway. And I can't get the Evo past here. It's got its own fucking currents. What? That's so fucking crazy, bro. There's so much water. Oh shit, we got a truck. A Challenger has approached. I don't think the Evo's gonna make it through that, so I'm not gonna try it. I helped them move the sign so they could get through, but I'm not risking it. I have to go all the way back around now, so. There we go. I just stepped outside with the camera and a quick release, and I saw this. This is pretty... Holy shit, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. Yeah! Yo, we out here at Carlos' house right now. Woo! We got the Evo. We got the Subaru, the WRX. We're actually putting some roof banners on, or roof banners? Fucking windshield banners on right now. He's got the Midnight Escape. This is the result of our banner placement yesterday. It looks pretty good. Hopefully wash the car. It needs it badly. Yeah. This thing is cracked as fuck. That's unfortunate. And then this side's fucking gone. We're setting up the stuff for the car wash. And I hear cur. I hear loud cur. Oh my God, it's an Evo! Oh my God! What? And a Subaru! Wow! I know, right? Jesus Christ.
Hey, can you shut up?
Fucking Fast and Furious out here.
That shit's fucking...
It's loud as shit, too. Oh my God, this is so good. So good. I love it. We had to go shopping at, what is this, O'Reilly? Oh, yo.
It's not blowing up or anything.
Yo.
They just like the gas.
Yo, we got the boys. We got Jose. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Because I washed my car earlier, it is frozen solid now.